Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold rallies on US tariff plan could go even higher. Gold hits another record. Gold rose to 3164 per ounce, a new record high as risk aversion increased following President Trump's tariff announcement. Trump outlined a 10% baseline tariff on imports from all countries, with higher rates for nations with trade surpluses, including China 34%, EU 20%, Japan 24%, and 25% tariffs on foreign made automobiles. Safe haven gold hits record peak as Trump announces sweeping tariffs. So, my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after the tariff announcement, gold went up sharply, made a high of 3167, 3168, and right now trading around 3146. So, gold is super bullish again. So we were expecting some correction after the announcement, but we can see that okay, gold is not in the mood of coming down. So my dear friend, if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position because still there is no sign of trend reversal. After NFP, if market comes down, that's a different story. But at this moment, we can clearly see that gold is bullish. So if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy with your stop loss below 3100, 3020 area because you are in good profit right now, because I regularly receive many comments where people are showing screenshots. They are holding gold from 2700, 2800. My god, okay, you guys have good patience. And right now, okay, there is no resistance, okay, proper resistance from where you can expect a trend reversal, because the market sentiment is bullish. And when market sentiment, okay, is bullish, the technicals like resistance, okay, they do not work much. You will hardly see market consolidating around a resistance. Eventually, market will break the resistance and go higher. That's why whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technical, fundamentals always win. Okay. For example, if there is a very strong support, if there's a very strong support and market is standing at the support and the market sentiment is bearish, there is a news, okay, because of which market is going down, then you cannot expect the market to reverse. No, market will break the support and go down because market sentiment is bearish. So here we can clearly see market is bullish, so we need to follow the same old strategy here. Okay, means those who are having a buy, hold your buy position, sky is the limit. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, your simple trading strategy is buy at retracement or buy at dip. And if market doesn't come for retracement, what? Okay, obviously market will go up, isn't it? Okay, either market will come down or market will go up, isn't it? So if market comes down, instead of selling, we will look for buy positions because we need a higher probability. So if we look for buy retracement, there's a higher chance of making money. And if market doesn't come for retracement, we will look for buy at breakout. Clear? So where we can look for buy? So in case market shows heavy correction, okay, in case market shows heavy correction during the day, then the support around 3100 is still valid. 3100 round number, psychological support, okay, this support is still very much valid, but 3100 is far away from the current market price. So we need to look for some immediate levels. For immediate levels, we are using our beloved Fibonacci again. Okay, so we can see that the next support on the chart of gold is around 3134. Around 3134 we have the next good support. Why? Because 3134 is not only FIBO 50% retracement level, see 50% retracement, but the previous resistance will be working as support here. So from price action point of view, 3134 is a very good support. Above 3100, and we can also look for support around 3125, 3127 area because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a buy position if market comes down during the day. Do not buy blindly. Okay, trading doesn't work like that. We are not gamblers. When market come down to the level, okay, observe the market for 30-40 seconds. If you see the market is taking support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and we can see that right now, okay, market is standing around 3145. Okay, this is also kind of a support because of previous resistance here, but right now market is showing little weakness. So around 3145, 3146, it's a risky support. I have a buy. Okay, I have a buy. Let's see, okay, what happens. But this is a risky level, so I will not suggest everyone to buy here. Okay, it will be better for us to buy around 3134 or 312526 area only. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, proper retracement, if you see gold shooting up from here, okay, then we can look for a buy above 3169 area as well. Okay, but one thing I would like to mention again, that for a breakout, consolidation plays a very important role. So if you directly see market going up from here, there is a possibility that after hitting 3174, 3175, you may see gold is coming down again. Okay, if you're looking for a bigger breakout, then let the market consolidate. Suppose you see market struggling around 3167, 3165 area, okay, for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, do not think what is going on. It's a good sign because market is getting ready for a breakout. After some consolidation around the resistance, if market shoots up, okay, that is a powerful breakout, and then you can look for a buy breakout above 3169. Do not buy blindly because sometimes after 30-40 pips market may come down again. Okay, but as of now gold is bullish, so okay, respecting the trend of the market, it will be better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. But I would like to request everyone that do not go for big lot sizes because gold is trading at a very dangerous position right now. There is no proper retrace correction. Okay, no proper correction for a long time. Okay, we are waiting for a proper correction. God knows when the correction will come. Till then, okay, we need to follow the trend of the market. So go with small lot sizes and follow proper risk management. My dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again for the last time, and it's starting from tomorrow. Yes, the Hindi classes are starting from tomorrow and the English classes are starting from 11th of April. It's my last workshop, and this workshop has been designed specially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money after learning all the concepts and all. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. This is my last workshop because after this, okay, I will mostly be teaching beginners. Okay. And at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. All the dates are mentioned here. Okay. And these are the topics you can see. I have not picked any fancy topics. We will just learn, okay, what it is important. Okay, we will just look at the market as it is. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, lot size calculator. Today we have a special session in Hindi. Hindi में एक special session है regarding the forex trading in India. क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता होगा कि इंडिया में फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग को लेके मतलब काफ़ी अफवाहें हैं. ओके, देयर आर मेनी लीगल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. ओके, उसके रिगार्डिंग स्पेशल सेशन है. एंड इन 1 month support you will be added to a WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving free market updates and analysis. Okay, for example, you can see these are the updates from today. Okay, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market, how to take trades, where to take trades, so that you do not get confused. And this was a special session I was talking about. Okay, and you will be receiving free market updates analysis. Many people also joined because they like the regular market updates analysis. They get everything okay ready-made. Okay, and these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you fail to attend also, no need to worry, I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. Okay, if you're more or less doing well, okay, just want to boost your knowledge, then you can simply go with the workshop with 1 month support. It will only cost you $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. But if you're struggling, okay, if you're looking for personal support, guidance, personal sessions, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime support as well, because you will be getting 2 personal sessions in semi-annual and 6 personal sessions in lifetime support. And moreover, trading takes time. It's a journey, okay, because those who are struggling, okay, they need time. And the best part is the fees. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.